My name is Russell Kelly. Me and my wife Wendy own Kelly Collision in Anderson, South Carolina. I've been in this industry since I was 18, so I've been in it 35 plus years. We opened up the business in 2008, and we opened up our new location in 2014. And we're now at the point where we're going to do some expanding in the next year or two. So we do all types of repairs on all types of vehicles. So approximately 5 years ago, we had bought a welder from another company and didn't really get the proper training on it. And Dave from Lombard was coming by, and he actually stepped in and gave us the proper training on it and started a business relationship where we bought other equipment, and he's never failed to answer his phone or answer any questions that we had about anything, or followed up with any kind of training we needed. Lombard is a stand-up company. They do what they say and they stand by what they sell.